What is up, guys? Juan from Grease Busters. Doing a little house wash today. Just finished up a little gutter clean. I'm going to show you a little bit of what's happening. This is very last minute recording this video, so take a look. Got all this green stuff to wash down. All the muck all over. I'm on the roof, so I'll get more shots afterwards. But, you know, the basics. Dirty vinyl siding, easy wash. About to flush out the gutters. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I clean gutters, I flush them out, get all this residual gunk out of here, as in leaves and debris, shingle matter. And yeah, so alright, so obviously this is the dirtiest side, most of the customers concerned. So let's watch it wash down, shall we? Using a Gilmore gun, 5.5 gallon per minute Everflow diaphragm pump. Look at that. Just starting to change instantly. The power of the soft wash. I'm gonna give down here a little more. Might have to pull the soft brush out for that. This is a nice ticket house, so don't mind putting a little extra on. Look at that. Changed almost instantly. I am going to take the soft brush out, which I can't record for, but I will show you guys the after this. Here she is. She washed down nice. Alright, the worst side.